Okay, let's try those again. To log into Think Central, you go to Clever, you hit Think Central, and then your screen should show up with that tablet where you hit To Do, and then you hit the blue letters. Click that, and then it's just gonna work. Okay. In order to log into Think Central, you go to Clever, you hit the Think Central tab, and then you're going to have a tablet come up with your lessons. Okay, make sure you click the blue button, the blue letters. Okay, and then what's going to happen is it's going to say Adobe Flash Player is blocked. You need to come up here and click this red X with the puzzle piece. Click that, hit Manage, and then where it says Block Sites from Running Flash, you need to just click that. Then you go back to your Think Central, you open it up. Let's see, Jayana figured it out. That's a girl. Okay, so you go back to your blue letters, you click it, and the puzzle piece is going to come up again, but you need to click that and just click allow. And bam, Think Central.